If anyone asks me where you from, brother, I am from Biniam Girmay. I am from Biniam Girmay, brother. Look at this guy. He's cooking, brother. He's dumb, brother.
Jakobsen is there. Look at Jasper Stuyven. Stuyven now starts the acceleration. Girmay is there. Right on the wheel is Mads Pedersen about to strike, but Arnold De Lee is there. Pedersen now goes for the stage. Girmay goes across, and it is right in the centre. Mads Pedersen, Girmay, Biniam Girmay. Biniam Girmay wins his first ever stage of the Tour de France for Eritrea.
What a fantastic win.
You had been waiting for this moment for a long time. You had already been on the Tour de France, but you finally have a stage victory in the world's greatest race. What does it mean for you?
تايم مناسي دقاقين كا يغني اللي خاطر الزراعة الناملاخ يخاطر بكا بتعامي أي تقول صنيع حجيك النايب حق دي أنا تيدي يخاطر بكا يقر مكاكن زيركا زهبن زخلن حدا أملاخي يغني اللي تمسجني دي بكا قدم.
Yeah, first of all, I would say thanks God for everything, for give me all the strength, support, and yeah.
An Eritrean cyclist has made history at this year's Tour de France. Biniam Girmay has become the first black African to win a stage during the famous race.
This is a victory for you, it's a victory for Africa.
Absolutely, yeah, this means, yeah, it's for all African. Congrats, I would say. Yeah, I'm just super happy today.
Nobody has done it, guys, so it's crazy. That's my man right there. Thank you so much, Biniam Girmay.
Now is our moment, and yeah, I'm super happy.
أتي ورقنا المازن إيرتران أفريقيان زخنا بينيام Girmay.
This is going to be a big sprint finish. It's going to be Biniam Girmay.
Yes, thank you guys. Thanks so much.
Social media, let me open the door, a reference to his ambition to inspire more Africans to take up the sport.
ፍጡራት ሰባት ካብ ናብ ሰባት ናብ መካይንን ሞተር ብሽክለታታት ናብ ዝተቀየሩሉም እቲ ኣብ ጎደናታት ከተማ ኣስመራ ዝዓበየ ቀዳማይ ዓቀብ ናይ ምሕኳር ክእለት ኣብ ዓቀበታት መንጉዳ ዝተማህረ ናይ ቅጽበታዊ ውድድር ብቕዓቱ ኣብ ከባቢ መቃብር ሓርበኛታት ኣሃዱ ኢሉ ዝሰረተ ኣብ ከባቢ ሲኔማ ሮማ ዘዕኮኸ ኣብ ከባቢ እንዳ ማርያም ዝሰሓለ ኣብ ኩሉ ጸሊም ጽርግያታት ኤርትራ ናይቲ ዝፈትዎ ዓውደ ስፖርት ፍቅሩ ዘዕንበበ ቢንያም ሎሙን ንኤርትራን ኣፍሪቃን ትዛዕበየ ህያብ አበርኪቶ
ናንዶይ ዝበናዮ ኣይበናንዶይ ዝበናዮ ወይ ዓወትና ስሪናዮ
ኣይበናንዶይ ዝበልካያ ተቀደም ቀደም ዝበልካያ ወይ ዓወትና ስሪናያ
ማድስ ፔደርሰን በወድጋንቱ ተወጢጡ ናብ ሕንጻጽ ይቀርብ ነበረ ብድሕሪኡ ዝመጸ ጸሊም አልማዝ ሰጊሮ ከሐልፍ ምስራይ ፔደርሰን ዝወረሰ ስምዒት ክትግምቶ ይከኣልን ቢንያም ብሙሉእ ብሽክለታ ሰጊሮም ሕንጻጽ ረጊጹም
Girmay wins his first ever stage of the Tour de France.
ታሪኽ ተሰሪሑ ክትኣምኖ ዘጸግም ታሪኽ ቅድሚ ሕጂ ብብዙሕ ወገን ተበጺሑ ዘይፈልጥን ሓድሽን ዛንታት ዝሓዘለን ታሪኽ
መሰናኽላቱ ጨዲዱን ረሃጹ ልዕልና ካልኦት ተቀዳድምቲ ከም አልማዝ ካብ ርሑቕ አንጸባሪቆም
ናይ ባዕቃባ ሳይክል ስንዓብ መቃይሩ ኣብ ኩዕሶ ይኹን ኣብ ካልእ ውድድራት ኣለው ተጸለም ተወዳደር ኣብ ሳይክል ግን ተወዳዲርና ዓወት ነብጽሓሉ ግዜ በጽሑስን ብጣዕሚ ዓብ መድረኽ ይኹን